What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your password in the Google Family Link app. So, you might be wondering how to exactly change or update your password. Now, there are going to be a few things that you need to understand here. Now, your Google Family account that you have right now on your phone is actually directly related or connected to your Google account. So if you want to update the password for your Google Family Link app here, well, you also need to update your Google's password for it. So how do you do that? So first, you want to open a Family Link here, and you want to go and click on your profile icon at the top right of the screen. And from here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and click on Manage Your Google Account. Now from here, you want to look for the security option at the very top here, or the tabs that you see here. Scroll down a bit here and click on password. Now once you click on it, it should open up a new window which should ask you your new password and the confirmation of that password. Now by the way, if this is the first time you're accessing this page, it might ask you to verify yourself by providing a passkey or your fingerprint here or any kind of verification in order for you to proceed on changing the password. But once you've entered the password here, and click on change password bottom right here, that should update or change your password. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.